The higher I fly, I'm defying the right. The skies never lie, I rise and comply. I'm lighting this fire, bright and it shines. Eye of the storm is blind, I arrive. This plan is designed to refine me in my prime, and my rhymes redefined. I'm inclined to this grind, I'm crossing all lines. I'm divine in my mind, only the God can explain. I'm aligned with the time. The scream that I bring is of a king in the making. I fight like I'm broken, I'm gin from the taken. The dream that I chase is unclean and it's shaken. Shaking the ground with the leap that I'm taking. Breaking the town with the sound of my cadence. The mountain I'm climbing is steep with my patience. I peak all the greatest, I'm wreaking the basics. I'm sleek with these moves, I'm a thing as I take it. Banged all this knowledge, my rhymes are the richest. I'm stitching those gaps where the system has glitches. Painting my vision with rhythm so vivid that the prisms I live in, they glisten, no limits. The mission is driven by wisdom, I'm in it. Precision is a hit till I win, I pivot. Guiding the mind through surprising endeavors. I'm wiser than ever, I mine through the treasure. The sparks that I make leave a mark in the ether. I'm cold with this art, every bar is a heater. Cars are my with the struggles. I rise with the tide while they tried in the rubble. Hosting opponents while coasting the ocean. Explode with the motion, I'm dozing with potion. Composing emotion with flows that are chosen. Logged in like frozen, I'm fizzy like Rosen. My brain has deciphered the ciphers and prices. The snipers suffices are crying in silence. No bias, I'm timeless, my rhymes are the finest. Lying with the brightest, I bring art like artists. Words are in season that slice to your vision. The reversal, we're versed in the season. The side effects of the bar that I'm spitting are viral. Connected, igniting the written survival. Perfected, my rivals conflicted. If the stats is detected, high is addictive. Quick with the tempo, my rhythms uncharted. Acute for the mental, the train has departed. Encrypted potential, I'm hacked into started. This gift is so special, my spirit was guarded. I'm molding the essence of vocal precision. Eroding resistance to escaping this rhythm. Shifting the current as my thoughts are kinetic. From the friction emerges a spark, I'm prophetic. Through this flow, my flight is so flawless. I emerge like an opus and my city is lawless. A servant of hip-hop and my motives are raw. Is the verdict been given, I'm chosen regardless. Each syllable landing like the drop of a hammer. Expanding the landmass and candles, my banner. I channel the language of my planet. Cinema, my standards dismantle the slander with glamour. Savor the steps as this galaxy renders. No favors are left, your majesty's answered. Punch through reality as the gravity anchors. These players been swapped, the strategy standard. Collision of planets, my course in ascension. Envision the mental where words are my weapon. Drugs that I reckon.